Welcome back. Today we're opening the 2022 Hot Wheel Advent Calendar. Here it is. Let's open number 1.
Hello! I'm Guy. Welcome to my playhouse. Ta-da!
Today the sun's a little brighter. Go on and smile a little wider.
Yeah.
What do you think is in there? Number 1. It's a bicycle?
Wow, so cool.
It's so big.
Oh, a street light.
Wow.
Nothing else. I never knew you could get a street light.
I never knew you can get such big Hot Wheels.
Yeah, this one is the coolest one I ever saw. This is the coolest Hot Wheel I ever saw, everyone. And the street light. Okay. Where is number 2? Yeah. Wow, I got another one. Nothing else, just one car. It did not come with a street light or anything else, just one car.
And what color is this car?
Yellow.
Wow, looks so cool.
Yeah, and it's even smaller. It's smaller than that one.
Yes, it is. What number comes after 2?
3.
Okay.
Where's number? Oh, it's right here. It's already opened. So let's get this whole thing open, though. I do not know. Wow, a red car, my favorite color.
Red car.
It's my favorite color, and that they did not even know.
Ooh, and it's big.
Let's compare it.
Okay.
Oh, it's almost as big as the blue. It's as big as the blue one,
Wow.
and the yellow one's even smaller than these 2 cars.
Do you like this Hot Wheel calendar so far?
Yes.
What comes after number 3?
4. I see 5. That's what comes after 4.
How about if you look somewhere close to where number 1 was?
Where was no? Oh, here's number 1. Oh, 4. 4 is right next to number 1. Look. Let me try to open it. And it's whoa! It's a bunch of stuff in here. No cars though.
What are those?
There's some instruction things and some race things.
Wow. That's exciting.
Yeah, I finally got my first race things and construction things for Hot Wheels. Dump it.
That's a lot of them.
Oh, I forgot. I did not even see this fire hydrant.
What else do you have there?
It's a racing flag for finish. Ooh, it fell right on the red one. 1 cone, 2 cone, 3 cone, 4 cone,
4
4
cones.
cones.
And how many flags do you have?
1 flag, 2 flag, 3 flag, 4 flag.
4 flags and 4 cones. Wow.
There's a finish and go on signs. There's 2 signs.
Great. That was a good number 4.
And actually 1 more, actually 3 signs, because look. Watch out in the race. There's something ahead that's dangerous.
Wow. Okay, what comes after number 4?
After number 4, which I saw, is 5. I opened it. Can I have some help? Oh, I do not need help anymore.
What do you think is in there?
Whoa! Another car. That's red and white and black.
Well, is it white the color?
Not really, actually.
It's a non-color.
Yeah, because it's on paper. BB, it's as small as the yellow car.
Wow, so far you got 4 cars, a lot of flags,
Yes.
a street light. Okay, what comes after number 5?
6.
Can you find number 6?
I've been waiting for 6.
I do see number 6. I see number 6.
I do not.
Well, I do see it.
Oh, I see it. It's right next to number 1.
What's in there?
A car.
Another car.
It's as big as the blue and red one.
Wow, and it's yellow.
Like this one.
Yeah, well, you got a lot of cool cars.
Yeah, and also a lot of stuff for the cars.
Yeah,
I could make a whole city today
yeah.
with Hot Wheels.
City. Who's gonna find number 7? Number 7.
Oh, see it.
Oh,
I saw it first.
yes, you did.
Let me see what I get. Whoa, a Hot Wheels car again.
Is it red?
Yes, it is red. How did they pack these things?
They packed them very well.
Yeah.
Wow, so many red cars. Your favorite color. That's exciting.
Wow, this one's bigger than these. All of these 4.
You don't have any of these cars. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Well, so far so good. What
Yeah.
comes after number 7?
8. And after 8 is 9.
I
Which
see
is
number 8.
I see number 9. Also 8. 8 is next to 9. Let's open it. 8. Wow.
What's in there?
Another red car. Oh, it's actually red and orange. Actually, it's just red and orange and green and white. A little bit
Okay.
of white and a little bit of black. Well, it's as small as these 2. Wow, I got a lot of them so far.
What comes after number 8?
9, which I just told you, Mommy. And right here. You open number 9. Ooh,
What's in there?
I did not even know the Christmas trees were, these kind of Christmas trees were Hot Wheels. Miss Ray has them at school and I did not know they were Hot Wheels
I did not
things.
know Hot Wheels makes Christmas trees either.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Yes, because it's so exciting because it's great theme because Christmas is coming up here.
Yep. What comes after number 9?
10. 10 is
Where
right,
number 10?
right here on the top of the Christmas tree.
Okay.
So far, this is really fun. Wow,
I'm happy you like it. What's in there?
another car. Look,
Ooh, that looks cool.
yeah. Miss Freight got these Christmas trees at school, but at least they're just bigger.
Okay, let's open number 10. Is that number 10?
Yeah, I already opened number 10. Wow. I got 3 of these small cars, and I have no of them.
Okay, what comes after number 10?
11
Let's see who
I
finds
see.
number 11.
here. Ooh, a blue car.
That looks kind of like a Mini Cooper, doesn't it?
Yeah, but except it's not.
Except it's not, huh?
Yeah, it is not. Mini Cooper. Boop, here it comes.
Wow. I think that's my favorite so far.
I think this is my favorite.
Okay. What comes after number 11?
12.
Where is 12?
Here.
That's 21.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that's 21. 2, 1, 21. This is 1, 2, 12.
Yeah. Well, I keep forgetting.
Okay, let's open 12.
What is inside?
I think it's a car.
Me too. It is. Just we both thought it's a car, and it is.
Oh, it's so tiny.
Yeah, it's a cute car. It's cute.
It's very cute.
Yeah, but not as cute as me.
You're right, not as cute as you. 13, 1, 3. Let's find number 13.
13. Oh, there it is.
13.
Wow. Look what I got.
Wow.
I do not know what this is even called.
I don't know either, but it's really cool.
Oh, yeah, it is a race car because I see a number on there. Here it comes. Boop, boop, doop, 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 doop.
These cars are getting cooler and cooler.
Yeah.
As we go forward with the numbers, the cars are even cooler. Okay, number 14. Let's see. 14.
Where? Oh yeah, on the race car.
What's in there? What do you think it is?
Car. It is a car. Just like I thought, it's a car.
Very cool.
Here it comes. It's alright.
Okay, let's open number 15 now.
I did not even put it down. The 15's on Santa Claus's bag. Goodbye. Oh, such
What's in there? Another Jeep?
Yep. Another Jeep.
I like these cars. They're bigger than the regular Hot Wheel cars.
Yeah. They are.
Okay, number 16. Number 16.
I see it also.
What do you
That
think it's in there?
a car.
Maybe more Christmas trees?
Ah, maybe that's only. No, it's not a car.
What's in there?
It's a trophy. and a medal.
Oh, that's for who wins the race.
Yep.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I never knew they make these kind of things. The things for. I never knew they make. I only knew they make cars for Hot Wheels, not all these signs and flags and everything.
I think it's special for the advent calendar. That's why you have to buy the advent calendar. They give you all this extra stuff for the holidays. Number 17. Number 17.
Oh yeah, we opened part of the blue car. Now more of the blue car. What's inside 17? Wow, it's a white car again.
And it's a big one again.
Yep, it is. These bigger Hot Wheels cannot fit on our tracks. On the track, I know.
Okay. Number 18.
Wait.
Number 18.
This is not a Jeep. It's not a regular tow truck, but it is actually a tow truck. Look.
That's a tow truck, not
Yes.
a Jeep?
Yes, but it's not a regular tow truck
Okay.
because it does not have a roof.
Number 18.
Yep, right here. I know. We're opening part of the yellow car. What's inside? What's inside here? Ooh, it's another one of these kind of little car things.
Yeah, that looks like Mini Coopers, but
Oh.
they're race cars.
Yep, they are. I believe that's be Sport UV vehicle.
Okay. Number 19.
I did not even put it. Number 19 is right here.
What do you have in there? What do you think that is?
It's a car.
Another car?
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
How did I know it from that one car? Look how much stuff I got so far, Mommy.
So do you like this advent calendar so far?
Yeah, we should get more of these Hot Wheel Avenger calendars lately.
Okay. Well, next year we get another one.
Okay.
Okay, number 20.
21. It's 20.
Number 20.
Oh. 20 is Santa Claus. Goodbye, Santa Claus. On
Bye,
that.
Santa Claus. Hopefully you have something good in there. Maybe it's a car for Santa Claus?
Yes, maybe so.
If not, Santa can use any of the other cars.
It's not a car for Santa Claus, but it is a race car.
Well, maybe at the end you can let Santa use any of the other cars. You can pick a car special for Santa.
Well, it's on an advent calendar, so he cannot walk on the advent calendar.
He should use his sleigh, not your...
Car,
His sleigh? His sleigh.
but he should not use my cars.
Okay, number 21. Remember when you wanted to open this one?
Yeah, I thought it was 20. Left and right, left and right. Why do I keep forgetting?
What's in there?
And a race car.
Wow, is that red your favorite color again?
Yes. They
It's
really,
like they knew that red is your favorite color.
but they did not. But then why do they keep making things red, red, red?
Maybe because it's for Christmas.
Oh yeah, that's a Christmas car. I forgot.
That's a cute one.
Yeah, we got one of these cars and another one. And there was one more somewhere.
The one in your hand.
No, not that one.
Okay, number 22.
No.
Number 22.
22? Okay, here it is.
What's in there?
And a race car.
Wow. Okay, you have two more. Number 23. 23. Another car.
Yep.
It's a blue one.
What is it?
Okay, number 24, the last
Okay.
one. Let's see what we have.
Horse 24. Okay.
What's in there? What's in there?
A car. A car, Mommy. A car.
Wow. Okay, now you have to let us know which one is your favorite car. The first one?
Yes.
Why do you like that car?
Because it's so cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.